Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Snapchat app. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. When you open the app for the first time, you have to create an account on Snapchat. And then you will see an interface like this, where your front camera will open. Now to start taking snaps, you have to tap on this button at the bottom of the screen. And now let me show you how you can take a video. All you have to do is long press on the same button. And now you can see the preview of your video. Now to send this video as a snap to your friend, you have to tap on send to on bottom right corner. You can also share it to your story from here. Now select your friends. When you are done, tap on the blue arrow icon on bottom right corner, and the snaps will be sent to your friends. Now let's get back to the main screen again. Now tap on the profile icon on top left corner and it will take you to your profile. From here you can see your story and add new stories to your profile. You can also see your friends. You can also add friends from here too. You can see all of your friends from here. You can edit your Bitmoji if you want to. And you can also explore the snap map. Now let's go back to the home screen. Now tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen and you will see all of your conversations here. You can also send snaps to your friends from here too. Now on the bottom right hand side you will see the friends icon just beside the camera icon. Here you will see all the stories from your friends as well as some celebrities. And then if you tap on the three bars on bottom right corner, you will go to the discover section. From here you can add new friends. All you have to do is just tap on add. And you can also subscribe to celebrities. And that is how you can use the Snapchat app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.